Stay current by upgrading your instances to the latest ServiceNow release. In this video, we will cover the benefits of upgrading to the latest release, managing an upgrade using the instances dashboard, rescheduling an upgrade, and staying updated with notifications. Upgrading enables you to get the most value out of ServiceNow by taking advantage of the innovations made available through new release families. Prioritize resources and projects necessary to get to value fast. Be more productive and run the business more efficiently. Reduce risk and protect your service from disruptions. Get the highest levels of security, availability, and performance from ServiceNow. Visit the Instances dashboard on Now Support to kick off your upgrade. The Instances dashboard will let you know if your instances need to be patched, upgraded, or if a new release is available. The Instances dashboard will show you a list of your available instances, versions, status, including if a release is available or if an instance is nearing end of life, and more. There are 3 ways to conduct an upgrade on Now Support: Upgrade Assist, Manual Upgrades, and the Upgrade Wizard. Eligible customers will see the option to enroll specific instances in Upgrade Assist, so you can begin testing new features as soon as they become available. Manually review and schedule instance upgrades to target patches and releases through the Actions menu in the Instances dashboard. The Upgrade Wizard is your centralized source to move step by step through the upgrade process. Reduce the time to upgrade by using easy-to-follow navigation and review recommended target versions before you begin. You can modify a scheduled upgrade or patch at any time prior to the change on Now Support. Reschedule your upgrade from the Instances dashboard by modifying the date and time. Once you're on the change form, you can easily change when your upgrade starts. Simply select Reschedule Upgrade and choose a new start date and time. Changing the target version of your scheduled upgrade is easy. Select a new target version in the drop-down. You can cancel your self-scheduled upgrades from the same instance page as long as the start time and date have not passed. Make sure your notifications are enabled for changes so that you can follow the status of your upgrade with notifications in the portal and mobile app. Stay current by upgrading your instance on Now Support.